Сегодня мы будем делать снежинку из бумаги.
Today we're gonna make a paper snowflake.
Для этого нужен лист бумаги в форме квадрата.
For that we need a paper in a square shape.
Этот лист имеет форму прямоугольника.
This paper, as we can see, you can take any. We got A4 format paper and it has a rectangular shape.
Сгибаем с любого угла.
So now we're gonna fold it from any side or angle. We chose it to fold it from this side.
Лишнее обрезаем.
And we're gonna cut the excess here.
Получается квадрат.
And here is our square.
Складываем пополам.
So we're gonna fold this square in half.
И еще раз сгибаем на счет раз-два, чтобы получилось 3 равные части.
And then we're gonna fold it again 2 times to get 3 equal parts. So check this out. We did, you can fold it, so after you have this, you fold it in half, right? Then you can fold it again in half, but not fully, just to get the middle point for you. Then we want to fold it in 3 equal parts. Hold on. 3 equal parts. And when you flip it, it's going to be a triangle here with that middle part, that crease that we created for us to see where the middle.
Обрезаем лишнее.
We're going to cut the excess. So this excess we're going to cut. And this what we're going to get. So as you can see here, right? We got it here. 1, 2, 3.
Опять складываем пополам.
Then we're gonna fold it in half again. So what we had here, right? We're gonna fold it in half.
Прикладываем готовый шаблон.
So we did pre-made a pattern, right? We are gonna put it right here.
Обводим карандашом.
We're gonna contour it with a pencil or a pen, whichever you like.
И по контуру вырезаем.
And then all you have to do is just to cut it following that contour. And here's the final product.
И в итоге разворачиваем, чтобы посмотреть, что получилось.
So all you need to do is just to unfold it. So again, it might take you a few times to get it right. It might take you one time to get it right. The main thing here is we wanted to make all our snowflakes the same. That's why we used pattern. Do you need to use a pattern? Not necessary. You can, just cut how you want it when you get to that final stage. But because we wanted to make them all the same and decorated our windows, we used the pattern. Enjoy!